Yeah, I got a quick video on a bungee cord hack, quick fix for a common bungee cord problem, and that's these hooks. It's just metal, and when you strap down cargo on your ATV or cargo top carrier or anywhere, you got metal on metal, and then you got a lot of scratching problems. Plus, this is slippery when you get metal on metal. So, in keeping with my recycling theme, I got some saved rubber tubing, and this is similar to aquarium tubing, but it's a thicker gauge, and you should be saving all your tubing to use as tool handles or anywhere you need rubber coating on something. And my fix is simply to put a rubber coating sheath on here, and that solved the problem of slippage and of scratching things. And it turned a crappy bungee cord into a really good bungee cord. And I don't even see these sold like this. I don't know why they don't sell them like this. I see some of them with a El Cheapo rubber coating that comes off half the time on them, but this has solved the problem permanently. And don't cut it to fit until you get it all the way on. And you can see how far I stuck it on, all the way to right here, so it gives coverage for this whole area. Then when I got it all on, then I cut it to fit here. Then it takes out all the guesswork. And I'll show you me putting on one real quick while I end this video and get you a good idea how to do it easy. I gotta put down the camera to do this, so bear that in mind. As I'm putting it on, I'm twisting a little bit to get it going on good. I'm almost there. Once you get it about halfway, it'll get easier. You can also wet these down. That'll help you get it on there easy. That goes for any tubing that you're putting on something. If you get it wet with water, it'll make it a lot easier. And I'll just keep pushing until I get it where I want it. Pulling a little bit. And I'm there, as you can see. There it is. And I'll cut it to fit. Perfect custom cover. How's that for a bungee cord hack? Thanks for watching. Please click like.